Welcome to my YouTube channel and to my very first vlog. Finally, I'm here and finally nagawa ko na din to because I've been really wanting to do this for a very long time, but then I didn't really have the courage to do so because of a lot of factors which I'll be sharing with you guys. But first, since this is my very first vlog, I would like to formally introduce myself. O, di ba? Parang first day of school, besh. My full name is Vanessa May Sia Rico Hermoso. People call me Vanessa, my family calls me Vane or Achi. Some of my friends call me Van. I'm 22 years old, pero hindi lang halata dahil sa height ko, guys. Kasi maliit lang talaga ako. Pag elementary yung height ko. Pero okay lang. I graduated last February 2017 from DLSU Taft. I took up business management and currently I'm working here in our family business sa Cavite. I'm the eldest of 5 siblings. I have 2 sisters and I have 2 brothers na makikilala niyo rin later on sa mga susunod ko na vlogs. I'm into photography, videography, and working in front and behind the camera. Bata pa lang talaga ako, guys. Mahilig na ako sa camera, sa pag-picture-picture, pag-edit-edit, ganun. I don't know, there's something in me na pag nakahawak ng camera, pag nakapag-picture-picture, edit, ganyan, there's a sense of fulfillment, lalo na when I get to finish editing, tapos I get to watch it. Sobrang ang saya sa pakiramdam. So back to my story prior to starting this vlog, yun nga, I really wanted to do this maybe siguro mga late 2017 pa. But a lot of things are getting into me. Siguro unang factor is na pangunahan ako ng hiya. Well, oo, may mga times na mukha talaga ako walang hiya. Pero hindi, mahiyain ko talaga ako, guys. But yun nga, naunahan ako ng hiya na parang, ay, nakikiuso, ganyan. Tsaka parang ang late-late na para mag-start ng vlog ngayon. Kasi as we all know, ang dami-dami ng YouTubers out there. And ang laki na talaga ng vlogging industry. But as they say, it's better late than never, diba? And kung yun talaga yung gusto mo, hindi yun hadlang. And another factor din for me is I thought na wala akong resources, like wala akong magandang camera, wala akong magandang laptop to edit because yung ginagamit ko ngayong editor, sobrang nag-lag siya and nag-hang siya wala edit. And sobrang nakakainis yun kasi alam mo, you're in the middle of editing, tapos bigla siyang mag-hang, bigla siyang mag-lag. So parang, oh, ano ba, please? Nakakainis yung ganun, kaya it takes a lot of time for me to actually get to finish a video, a whole video, yung mga travel videos, ganyan, kasi edit na rin ako before. So, isa yun sa mga naging hindrance for me, and I admit na parang ma-arte factor na lang yun. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang una pa lang gusto kong quality na agad yung mabibigay ko because I really take it seriously and this is really what I love. Kaya gusto ko talagang seryosohin and gusto ko talagang mabigay yung best ko. Tapos isa pa sa mga nag-worry ako is baka hindi ko ma-maintain gano'n, na baka sabihin, mapahiya lang ako na sabihin, ay sa umpisa lang, ganyan-ganyan. I know na hindi madaling mag-maintain ng YouTube channel because it really requires a lot of time, a lot of effort, dugo at pawis, besh. And alam ko mahirap maghawak ng camera lalo na pag nagka-travel kayo. Tapos parang minsan may gusto kong gawin. Pero dahil may hawak ng camera, you have to be careful. Tapos syempre i-edit mo pa yun. Pero ikaw syempre pagod na pagod ka na. Diba? Parang talagang YouTuber na talaga ako. Kasi ewan ko bakit parang may pinaghuhugutan ako dito. Ewan ko, basta alam ko yung parang, syempre nanonood din ako ng mga vlogs and ayun nga, nakakakwento nila na gano'n. And I know naman na talagang hindi madaling mag-maintain. And lastly, I was scared of being judged na ang dami-daming pumapasok sa isip ko na negativities like, ay, hindi naman ako para dyan, hindi ako maganda para dyan, ang pangit-pangit ko naman, hindi bagay sa akin ng ganyan-ganyan, hindi naman ako magaling magsalita, yung mga ganong bagay. Alam mo yung parang lahat na ng negative things, inisip ko na to discourage myself, which I realized was really wrong about my thinking. But I can say that it's not completely wrong naman because you really have to consider a lot of things, but not to discourage yourself, but to know what to do and what not to do. And at the same time, it's a challenge within yourself to give the best that you can give. So again, I know na ang dami kong na-share sa inyo na negativities ko before doing this. But here I am, conquering my fear and starting to do what I really love, which is being in front of the camera. At the same time, I get to edit my videos and I get to share with you guys things and happenings in my life, which you'll see sa mga susunod kong videos. Kasi ngayon, ito, nagpapakilala lang talaga ako, and I really want you to have a background about me. Who am I? Why am I doing this? So to end this video, I just want to leave some advice or tips and to encourage you guys to do what you truly love, as long as it will not harm yourself or other people. And most importantly, before doing anything, you ask the one up there for help and guidance on the path that you want to take. In my case, I really pray that if this is what He wants for me, then give me a strong desire in my heart. But if not, then take this desire away from me. And I admit, guys, na it's not gonna be an easy answer. Kasi sa akin, there was really a time na nawalan na ako ng gana to do this or to start this, until na-encourage ako nung sabi ng mga friends ko na, uy, mag-vlog ka, bagay sa'yo. Supportahan ka namin. So parang doon nabuhayan ako. Early this year, parang nagka-spark ulit yung kagustuhan ko na mag-vlog, magawa na ganito. And I felt like I really wanted to do this. So I really pushed myself and sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na tumayo ka, kumilos ka, kasi wala namang ibang kikilos dyan para sa akin, kundi ako lang. Lang naman kayo, di ba? For the first time in a long while, I feel like I'm doing something right, because I realized that I've been wasting a lot of time doubting myself. So now I regret na ang dami kong nasayang na panahon, lalo na last year, na parang sobrang unproductive ng year ko. Kaya this year, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na I would do what I want. I hope you guys support me and stay with me on this journey. I couldn't be more excited to share my story and this adventure with you guys. So ayun, siguro that's it for my first video. Sorry guys kung na-bore ko kayo or hindi kayo natuwa dito sa video ko na to. And please bear with me as I'm still in the process of learning. And I'll try to share positive vibes in my next video, since puro parang negativities yung mga na-share ko today. Again, that's it for today, guys. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. And subscribe to my channel for more content. Kung meron kayo mga video suggestions, guys, please comment down below. And follow me on my social media accounts listed in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Since this is my... and behind the camera. Ano bang camera? So back to my story prior. Laki na ng vlogging industry. Realized was really wrong. I get to share with you yung ubo ko. Ang lakas. Parang magigiba na yung bubong namin. That's it for my second video. Today, guys, please click. Ano ba yun? Please click the like button. Wait na yun.